Hello friends, here's how you can add an image into the background of your project in Photoshop. First, go to the layer where your image is placed. Now select the lasso tool and make a selection around the area you want to copy from that image. Now move that image to the main project. Next, select the Move tool and press Ctrl+T to adjust the size and position asterisk of the image. Place it where you want it to fit in the background. After adjusting it, go to the Layers panel, hold Ctrl, and select both layers, the background layer and the new image layer. Now go to Edit Auto Blend Layers. Make sure both options, seamless tones and colors and content-aware fill transparent areas are enabled. Then press OK. Photoshop will automatically blend the new image with your background, matching tones and lighting. And that's it. Your image is now smoothly added into the background of your project.